Wait, don't go anywhere. I got to add one more thing to this video before I end it. I just got another message from Paul, and I was telling him that I was inside the storage area, as you can see. And I told him that I was making every scrapper's favorite meal. Do you guys know what that meal is? Are you ready? I'm going to block this all until I can get some of this stuff out of here. Okay, so every scrapper's meal. Are you ready? Noodle soup. I know, that's a bad joke. But, yeah. Here's all the noodles from the rats. Well, not all of them. I still have some more in here that I'm gathering from the other side when I cut it. So, but yeah, and then I have some noodles over here. I got noodles all over the place. So, but yeah, I know that's probably the lamest joke that you guys ever heard is noodle soup. But I'm old, so I'm going to sit here and stir my noodles. Yeah, well, enough playing around. Okay, so I got the chair. Remember the chair up there? Well, the whole chair is right here now. Here's the rads. That'll bring me some money. Here's my other copper. And this is the copper that Paul brought me, which will definitely go into the clean of all this stuff. Because I got some more noodles to gather. But I am going home because, as I said in the message to him beginning, the video of me and him, the video that we did earlier this morning, is uploading to my computer right now, and I want to get it uploaded to YouTube. So, but yeah, I figured you guys wanted to hear a lame joke, but yeah, it was worth a shot. You guys probably rolled your eyes and didn't think it was funny because I'm not a comedian. I might look funny, but come on, I am not funny. Far from it. Okay, so it's time to go home. It's almost 7 o'clock. I'm tired. It is 6:51. So in 9 minutes it's 7 o'clock. So, as I always say, scrap it right, make that money. Peace. Later, Gators. Ta-ta.